Hey everybody, this is Becky, the Credit Coach Queen, and I wanted to take a moment to go over the jewelry line of credit with you. So I get this question all the time, like, why do I need it? How does it work? Why should I even bother doing this? Man, it's $200. I don't want to spend that extra money. But let me break this down. For one, so as far as me and my experience with it, I have been using and helping people use the jewelry line of credit since 2013. So a very long time. I found it and I wanted to make sure that it worked the way that they say it works. I found it in 2013 after my bankruptcy discharge. So once my bankruptcy discharged, I went and did this very thing. So first question, how does it work? So how it works is it costs $200 to get it. It's a $100 annual fee to get the account. And then once you go onto their website and you pick out $100 worth of jewelry to activate the account, then what happens from that point is it shows up as a $5,000 revolving line of credit on your credit report. And by getting a $5,000 revolving line of credit on your credit report, it increases your scores anywhere from 15 to 55 points. Now, my clients that do this, like I tell them to, see these results over and over and over again. It's one of the reasons that we send in an email if we see it not on your credit report to go ahead and do it. Who is it for? Well, it's pretty much for anybody that has some sort of, they don't have very much credit. It's for people with maxed out credit cards for sure, because then it shows that you have an extra $5,000 available to you. So it helps increase your scores even more. I really like this this jewelry line of credit. A lot of times I find that people don't do it because they don't have this explanation. So I finally decided to break down and make a video that we can send to you whenever we send you instructions for the jewelry line of credit, so you understand why it's so important to do it. What's the difference between 15 points on your credit score? Well, that could be the difference between 1% of interest when you go to buy a car or go to buy a house. So when you go to buy a car or a house and you save 1% interest on that loan, that's anywhere from 3 years to 30 years, that's thousands and thousands of dollars that you can save just by doing this little trick. The only people that I have seen not get qualified for this type of jewelry line of credit is foreigners. That's it. So it doesn't matter what your credit score is. It is a credit building thing that I found. You know, credit is just a game. And so I love to teach people how to play the game. And this jewelry line of credit is a perfect example of how to play the game. If you want more information about this, or you're still a little fuzzy or confused about how this works, just get with me or get with one of my processors, and we'll clear it up and explain it and walk you through how to get that accomplished. Talk to you soon and have a great day.